HemRx is a safe and effective technique because it's based on a proven surgical procedure known as hemorrhoidal dearteriorization, which includes inserting a large and rigid scope into the anus through which a surgeon gently and cumbersomely sutures a hemorrhoidal artery. This procedure is found to be highly efficacious with almost no post-op pain found in patients. However, this procedure is found with several limitations. As suturing is required, general or spinal anesthesia is required for this procedure, making this a procedure that has to be done in the operating room. The need for anal dilation results in 4% of the patients developing anal fissures, which is extremely painful anal tear. And this procedure cannot be performed by gastroenterologists. In contrast, HemRx, without the need for suturing and without the need for anal dilation, will enable both gastroenterologists and surgeons to perform this procedure outside the operating room without all these limitations. To further validate that this is a safe and effective technique, we have performed early proof of concept tests on live animals and cadaver and has demonstrated that HemRx can successfully seal neck arteries in rats and produces minimal collateral damage and thermal spread in cadaver. To execute on this idea, our regulatory process is a 510(k) pathway, which is a shorter and predictable regulatory approval. The procedure is currently reimbursed by DEE's existing reimbursement code, which is substantial for facility and physician, especially as this procedure can be done in less than 10 minutes. Our business model is a single-use disposable product, price point at $500, which is comparable to current competitors. At $500, we are operating at a very healthy gross margin of 80%. Our sales and marketing strategy includes to employ direct sales force to target high-volume surgical centers to drive initial adoption. In order to reach the rest of the general surgeons across the country, we'll work with specialty distributors. Subsequently, and very importantly, we'll expand the market to gastroenterologists who are currently gatekeepers to these patients, and we will reach these physicians through GI specialty distributors. In order to mitigate technical risk as early as possible, we plan to establish proof of concept in animals and continue to grow our core IP with a seed fund of $500,000, a Series A of $2.5 million to get us through first in man. In order to complete clinical trial and obtain regulatory approval, we will require a Series B funding of $5 million. At this stage, we will be open to potential acquisition and a potential exit post-product launch in year 2013. If that does not happen, we're prepared to raise a final round of Series C, $13 million, to ramp commercialization to see us through profitability all the way till 2015. HemRx is a spin-off of Stanford Biodesign program. As an engineer and an IP manager with experience with 2 early-stage startups, I'll be overseeing product development alongside Erica, with R&D managerial experience in Kaifon and Medtronic. Our other teammates include Brett McGee, a general surgery resident, and Jake Brenner, an MD PhD student with experience in clinical trial design. As a team, we recognize we do not have experience running a company. Therefore, with initial funding, we're bringing in an experienced CEO. In addition, this technology has received strong validation and support from our advisory board, which includes key opinion leaders such as Dr. Mark Welton, Chief of Colorectal Surgery, and Dr. Jay Pasrika, Chief of Gastroenterology, both from Stanford.
In summary, HemRx is a team of passionate entrepreneurs poised to deliver value to patients, physicians, and investors. For too long, hemorrhoids have been a problem for patients, and we at HemRx Medical believe that they should not be an infirmity that's tolerated. For the boomer population, we offer the first effective, low-risk treatment option that's performed outside of the OR. For investors, for physicians, our procedure is fast and simple to perform and allows them to expand their field of practice with good reimbursement. And for investors, this is a proven technique, and our technology has a capability of growing the addressable device market. Thank you very much, and we'll take any questions.
Thank you.